Knowt is an all-in-one study platform trusted by over 2 million students and teachers. It offers a comprehensive set of learning tools including flashcards, notes, practice tests, and AI-powered features, all accessible for free. Knowt positions itself as a free alternative to Quizlet, providing many premium features at no cost. The platform aims to help students study more efficiently and effectively across a wide range of subjects and exam types. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. Now, this platform is primarily for students, but I like to think everyone's a student, and really and truly, learning is a process that should never end. So I really believe this platform can be for anyone and everyone who is interested in learning new things and developing themselves. So as you can see here, they have AI flashcards, AI summarizers for PDFs, PowerPoints, videos, lectures, and Excel documents as well, which is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen this before. I'm sure you could of course upload it to ChatGPT, but I'd be curious to see how this differs from, let's say, any other LLM you can just upload things to. You've got AI notes, an AP exam hub, and you've got a section for teachers as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into a social studies subject, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into psychology. I think human psychology is always an interesting topic. What I'm going to go into is social psychology, and I'm going to take a look at social cultural approaches. Let's see what flashcards we've got here. So what is social identity theory? I have no idea what that is, but hopefully I'll be able to find out. The theory that an individual's sense of who they are is developed based on group membership and shared between other members of the group. This leads to formation of in-groups and out-groups. That's quite interesting. I think tribal anarchy is a good way to describe human society, where there's just all this chaos going on all the time, but there are certain tribes that form. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to go to the next card. Who investigated social identity theory? Let's see, Teifel and Turner, 1979. Okay, cool. So I'm not too sure if you're able to actually create new flashcards. I think that would be really cool. It seems like you can, which is perfect. So yeah, creating flashcards is another way you can actually get a lot of value from this platform. Let's say there are any terms you need to learn for any sort of test or anything you want to learn as a result of your personal development, then yeah, this is definitely a great website to really dive right into. And as you can see, there's a whole host of subjects from social studies to languages to science, engineering that you can actually learn about. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.